Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll tell you what, I walked by this trail runner. I had to check it out. I sold these probably 6, 7 years ago. So I was super curious to see, what they looked like, what they did, because quite frankly, they used to be pretty darn ugly. So people from Heartland, if you guys are listening, I apologize for that. I didn't really like them previously because I didn't think they looked all that good. But man, I'm telling you, they got a makeover, and I think outside and inside, they are absolutely awesome. Plus, I've got a family of 4, and this is a floor plan that would really work for me. So not only does it look nice, but it's also very functional. We were down at the RV party by Funtown RV, where they packed 278 campers in and around the Dallas Cowboy Stadium, which is pretty darn cool. But I will put all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes down in the description. But again, it's the 2024 Trail Runner 31 DB. And if you guys can, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Obviously on the, the features and whatnot. If you have any questions, I'm here for all of that. But I also want to know what you think about the aesthetics. Like even the gray back with the white, the gray top and the black. I just think it looks really cool. That's going to be a camp kitchen, by the way. So you'll have a 2 stovetop burner and a plumbed-in sink. But before they're a little bit bland, and now you walk in, you got that wood block look. You have your grays, your whites, you got a little bit of black. I just think it looks super, super sharp, and especially for the fact that this is going to be in that, aluminum-sided wood frame construction, a little bit less money. I think this is heads over heels better looking than a lot of the competition. Plus on this floor plan in particular, you got a lot of walk around room, up in and around this actual living room area. So I think it's nice for that rainy day. We do have the 4 kids, and they will drive you absolutely freaking bonkers, kicking your feet as you're walking by on a couch on some of those thinner, models. So this back here is going to be your bunk room and your bathroom. I like how they have a sliding door as opposed to, like an actual door. I think that's a pretty nice feature to have. You got a twin bed with a window, and then you have the double bunk bed there below, and it is curved to give you, again, a little bit more flow going on. And 275-pound weight capacity up here, which is pretty darn nice for a single. Pretty much all the kids will. Well, I shouldn't go into that. A lot of kids will fit into that. You also have a window that's going to be tinted, and you have a pull-down curtain there as well. It's going to be, one of these style. So not quite like the blackout shades, but the sun barely gets through, at all. You can kind of see like a little glow behind it. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. And it looks like you got cable hookup along with outlets. So if you wanted to put a TV in here, you could do that. A little area just for some countertop space. I guess that would be perfect to put the TV there. Put your PlayStation down in there. Kids can lay over here, watch a movie, play their games, have a good time. You also got one of the ACs is going to be right here too as well. And then the bathroom. Okay, so this is a bath and a half model. I should have looked at the floor plan a little better. This is a bath and a half model. That is pretty darn nice. So you got your own separate private area for the kids, along with the cubbies. The old bowling gun, plastic sink, so it keeps down on weight, keeps down on cost. Check that out again. That's just nice. So, I showed you this area. Let's, okay, so this is going to be a pull-out, so you'll be able to sleep a couple extra folks here. For slide height on the slide, a little bit higher than average. You're probably looking at about 5'7" or so, 5'7.5", I would guess, just above my ear, and I'm 6 feet tall. But you're also going to get really nice size windows as a result. The 2 middle ones do open, the 2 side ones do not. But the seating area right here is going to be directly across from your viewing area, if you were to put a TV in here. So you got a place for a TV backer, storage above and below. You also have your IRV technologies, so your speakers are going to be located here, and then outside as well. So zone 1 is going to be inside, zone 2 is going to be outside. You got your fuse box. Bada bing, bada boom. 10.7 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. It's going to be a 12 volt, and I like this style. A little bit more. It's a little bit more residential looking with kind of that stainless steel, appearance there to the outside. You also got your high point microwave, and then you have plenty of prepping space here too, you know, for over on the left side of that oven. 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings. Place to cook up, you know, some pizza or some dino nuggets. The dino nuggies are always my daughter's favorite for sure. She calls them daddy dinos. And then I like the glass texture right there. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Can't wait to get back home and see ya. Then right there, I mean, bada bing, bada boom. So you got window, countertops, hard wrapped plastic, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about anything kind of getting into the sides. Stainless steel undermounted bowl, and you got a little bit more storage here underneath, and a couple pull-out drawers, you know, here as well. You flip it around, you got a bigger than normal booth over. You can see the seats are a little bit wider, so I like having that. As a guy that's not exactly, you know, a flat belly, that's nice to have. You know, I won't be pressing my stomach up against that thing, unfortunately. So you got drop downs, so you can plop a bed down in there. Another AC right here. This is going to be where you control the heat in your AC. And then this is going to be your bath. So that is awesome. Bath and a half model. Bath back here. Bath right here. It's also got that 4-inch little dip. So, you know, like my 2.5-year-old little Relly, she likes to, you know, let the Barbies swim and use her paint and all that. So you can fill it up with 2-3 inches of water. You know, no problemo. You also got plenty of head height. Again, 6 feet tall. You're probably looking at about 6'5", you know, up here to the opening, which is going to be nice to create like a little bit of breeze. Maybe get some of the moisture out, you know, so you're not steaming up the place. And then you flip it around, bowling gun. But you also got a couple cubbies here, a sink, you know, the old plastic throne. And then you dip on into the bedroom. And I like that window. That's pretty darn nice. Really nice open area right there. You also got a place where you can put a TV over on the right. Emergency exit, pull, push, plop. Excuse me. 2 USBs, 2 outlets, and then I like how they have the cubby openings right there too. So if you needed to, you could put in, you know, CPAP or something like that. You know, charge up your devices. You know, do what you got to do there. But then also over here, let's see what we got. 2 pull out. There's also 2 cubbies there below. But then you also got, you know, some shelving in there for all your stuff. But guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe button for daily RV content. I'm going to be pumping out a lot of good stuff here, whether it's 60-second short tours or these, you know, 8 to 10 to 12 to 20-minute tours on the crazy ones. But again, it's the 2024 Trail Runner 31DB. And that is locked. So unfortunately that is locked, so I'm not going to be able to show that. But it's going to have 2 stovetop burner and a plumbed in sink there too. You're also going to see you get power stabilizing jacks, dual axle, and then you get one big awning on the no slide side. So that's pretty darn nice if you want to come out and play, you know, some cornholes and some games. But you got your electric stabilizing jacks, which is always nice. Extend and retract, you can zip those down, so pretty darn effortless there. You also have a bumper with a spare tire, and you are prepped for a rear observation camera, so that way you can see what's going on behind you with some distance markers, you know, while you're traveling down the road. Got yourself a water heater, a place where you can plug in a TV along with a cable hookup. So if you want to hook up the game, you know, if you're not somebody that owns a stadium with a Jumbotron, you can do it camp style, out in the woods, like a fun person would do. This right here, it looks like a black tank flush. That's basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. That is locked as well, but that's going to be a pass-through storage. You're also going to see you have a power tongue jack, 2 propane bottles, a spot where you can put 2 batteries on if you choose to, and then you have a rock guard, and they actually switch up the metal here on the front, which I think is a pretty darn sleek design. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope to catch you next time. Again, 2024 Trail Runner 31DB. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See you.